dear students. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to start our second term portions, that is from chapter 10 onwards. Today we are going to learn chapter 10, how we eat and taste our food. In the last class, we learned different food from plants. We eat different kinds of food during the day. Why do we eat food? We eat food to grow and stay healthy. Today let us learn about how we eat and taste our food. We know that we eat with our teeth and taste with our tongue. So in this chapter, we will learn more about our tongue and teeth.
Children, look at the pictures. Here in the first picture, they are talking. Second one is chewing food. And third one is licking an ice cream. So which part of our mouth helps us to do the activity shown in the pictures? Yes, our tongue and teeth helps us to talk. Our teeth helps us to chew the food. And our tongue helps us to lick the food. So tongue is an important organ in our body. Our tongue helps us to taste, swallow and talk. Each part of our tongue has taste buds on it, which helps us to distinguish between different tastes. Children, can you say the different kinds of taste? Yes. Sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Look at this picture. Here we can see the different taste zones. Certain parts of our tongue identify certain tastes more than the other parts. How does our tongue identify different kinds of taste? When we eat or drink something, the taste buds send a message to our brain. The brain then tells us whether the food or drink is sweet, salty, sour or bitter. Next part is our teeth. Teeth are the important part of our mouth. We all have teeth on the upper and lower jaws. Our teeth helps us to chew food and speak clearly. They also give shape to our face. Humans have two sets of teeth in their lifetime. They are the milk teeth or temporary teeth and permanent teeth. We do not have any teeth when we are born. By the age of 3, a child has a set of 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. By the age of 6, a child starts losing the milk teeth one by one. As the milk teeth fall and new teeth grow in their places from the gum. This new set of teeth is called permanent teeth. Every adult usually has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. The upper and lower jaw have identical kinds of teeth. If we lose any teeth from the permanent set of teeth, we will not get a new one in its place. Now let us learn more about our teeth in detail. Observe your teeth in a mirror. You will find that the teeth are in different shapes and sizes, and they perform different functions. We have 4 different types of permanent teeth. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Once again, the 4 types of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. The 4 front teeth in each jaw, which help us to cut and bite food, are called incisors. There are 8 incisors in our mouth. Next one is canines. Canines are the teeth on either side of the incisors. They are long, sharp, and pointed. They help us to tear food. There are 4 canines in total. Next one is premolars. These premolars are present next to the canines on either side. They are broad and flat. and are used for crushing and grinding food. We have 8 premolars in total. Next one is molars. We have 12 molars in total, 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. These are our strongest teeth that mash the food so that we can swallow it easily. The last 4 molars to grow are called wisdom teeth. I hope you understood the different types of teeth in our mouth. Our next topic is how do tongue and teeth help us to chew our food? We need both tongue and teeth to eat our food. Our mouth has teeth, tongue, and saliva. When we eat the food, the teeth cuts and grinds it. And the front part of the tongue helps us to eat by mixing the food with saliva and by moving it from side to side. The chewed food then goes into the food pipe. The food pipe is also called esophagus. From there, the food then enters to the stomach, where it is digested. I hope it is clear. Our next topic is how to take care of our tongue and teeth. Children, if we do not take care of our teeth, they start decaying. Every time we eat, some food particles get stuck in our teeth. The bacteria in the mouth feed on the food stuck in our teeth and produce acid. That makes a hole in the teeth called cavity. These cavities in the teeth lead to severe toothache and foul smell in the mouth. So, to protect our teeth from decay and to keep them healthy, we must brush our teeth twice daily. That is, after we wake up and before go to bed. We must clean our tongue with a tongue cleaner after brushing the teeth. Change our toothbrush when the bristles get spoiled. Massage our gums with clean fingers. Floss our teeth after each meal to remove food particles stuck in them. Rinse our mouth with water after every meal. Avoid eating too many sweets and drinking soft drinks. Eat more fruits and leafy vegetables. Have regular dental checkups. I hope you understood how to take care of our tongue and teeth. Now we are moving to our exercise part. Our first exercise is choose the correct option. Number 1. Our dash help us to chew our food. Option A tongue, B teeth, C food pipe. Correct option is option B teeth. Number 2. The number of teeth an adult can have is option A 25, B 32, C 28. Correct option is option B 32. Number 3. The canines in our mouth help to option A crush food, B swallow food, C tear food. Correct option is option C tear food. Number 4. We grow all our milk teeth by the age of option A 12 to 13, option B 3, option C 19 to 20. Correct option is option B 3. Number 5. We develop all our permanent teeth by option A late teens and early 20s, B the age of 3, C the age of 6. Correct option is option A late teens and early 20s. Next exercise is match the following. Different types of teeth and their functions are given here. We have to match them correctly. Number 1. Incisors. They are used to cut food. Number 2. Canines. Tear food. Number 3. Premolars. Grind food. Number 4. Molars. Mash food. Number 5. Wisdom teeth. Last 4 permanent teeth. Next exercise is write T for true or F for false. Number 1. Our tongue helps us to speak. That is true. Number 2. The taste buds help us to distinguish between different tastes. That is true. Number 3. We have 8 premolars in all. That is true. Number 4. Milk teeth that we get as children last a lifetime. That is false. Number 5. Massaging our gums keeps them healthy. That is true. Our next exercise is fill in the blanks. Number 1. We must have regular dash. Answer is dental checkups. Number 2. Cavities in the teeth lead to severe dash and dash in the mouth. Answer is toothache and foul smell. Number 3. The last 4 teeth to grow are dash. Answer is wisdom teeth. Number 4. We must dash our teeth after each meal to remove particles stuck in them. Answer is floss. Number 5. We must clean our tongue with a dash after brushing our teeth. Answer is tongue cleaner.
Children, today we learned about our tongue and teeth, 4 different types of teeth, and how to take care of our tongue and teeth. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you, children.